In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a section on a different page. We'll do this inside Webflow Designer, and by the end, you'll have a link that takes visitors directly to a specific section on another page of your site. This is perfect for buttons like Learn More that should jump straight to, say, a pricing or FAQ section elsewhere. Start by opening your Webflow project in the Designer. Head to the page where the link or button already lives. If you have a lot of elements, use the quick search or the navigator search field to find it faster. Type the name of the element you're looking for, select it in the list, and then click it again on the canvas to make sure it's truly selected. With the link element selected, open Link Settings in the right-hand panel. This is where you tell the link where to go. Choose the option to link to a page, then pick the destination page from your site's page list. We don't want to stop at the page level. We want to land on a specific section, so look for the section control associated with that page link. If you don't immediately see the section chooser, click Show All Settings to expand the panel. You should now see a drop-down labeled Choose a Page section. Open it and select the exact section you want users to land on. Webflow will list sections by their IDs or labels. If your target section doesn't appear, make sure that section on the destination page has a unique ID assigned. Many templates already do this, but it's worth confirming in your build. Once you've chosen the page and section, give the link a quick review. Confirm the link type is set to page, the correct page is selected, and the section drop-down shows the intended target. If you made any changes while the panel was collapsed, use Show All Settings again to double-check everything is still set correctly. Now it's time to publish. Click Publish and choose the domain you use for testing or your live site. When the publish completes, open the site, navigate to the page with your link, and click it. You should be taken straight to the chosen section on the other page with a smooth jump. That's it. You selected your link, opened link settings, set it to a specific page, expanded the options